Okay, we're back at it again today. I'm trying to finish welding this up. I just got finished drilling holes in the bottom of every pipe, so that way when you close it up, it don't blow out on you. So I started welding it already. I was playing around here. It's been a while since I've walked the cup, but I was walking that cup on that mini rig. So it ain't too good, but it ain't too bad either. But anyways, I don't know how all them guys and girls, you know, they sit there and just make it look like a nickel, a nickel, a nickel, a nickel. I know they're using pulse on a lot of it. You know, I can do it whenever I butt plate together and have a corner. I can make it look pretty good like that, but besides that, man, I'm not you know, I can't make it look like that. So but anyways, so I just wanted to show you where I was at. I got the legs welded on here. I had a hard time getting these kind of level looking right, you know, so it's not the best. But let's stand it up and look at it. Let's see what y'all think. Like I said, I'm getting ready to start welding it out, but there it is right there. That's what it's gonna look like. And then we're gonna put wood in it. But you know, it's not too bad. I mean, it's different, you know. It's not too bad. I thought about taking these pieces here and coping them out and putting them on here. You know, some of these racks, it shows like this here. So you put your kindling down in here and then your wood here. But you know, we don't live up north, so this is basically firewood for the fire pit in the backyard and to keep it up off the ground, stuff like that. But I mean, if I need a kindling to start a fire, I would probably store it, you know. But I mean, usually whenever I start a fire in the fire pit, man, I just throw a bag of charcoal in there, some wood on top of it, and, you know, light it and let it go. So all right, well, let me get some welding going on here. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Okay, I put the first pass in here, and I figured I'll let y'all. This ain't stainless and it ain't carbon or nothing like that, but I figured I'd let y'all watch me walk the cup here. It's gonna be real bright, but maybe you can see my hands, see what they're doing. So haven't done this in a long time, but I used to weld a lot of stainless and Inconel and stuff like that. So let's see if this, and this is a little mini rig too. This ain't a regular heliarc rig. So all right, there you go. That's walking the cup with aluminum. What y'all think about that? One of these days I'll make a video on walking the cup with stainless and carving and stuff like that, man. I used to be pretty good at that back when I used to weld for a living, but what you think about that, huh? Just thought I'd give y'all a little teaser. So like I said, it's a log rack. I don't go for pretty, you know, I want it to look good and I want the welds to look decent. I don't want it to look like, you know, globs, but I, you know, I can't make it look like nickels. I mean, unless I do pulse, and I've never messed with the pulse. So anyway, so that just gives y'all a little taste of the walking the cup, and that's a mini rig at that. So I'll get back with you. I'm gonna do some more welding on this thing. Okay, there it is, all welded out, everything welded out. Don't look too bad, huh? Not bad at all. I gotta do a little bit of rubbing with some Scotch-Brite on some rough spots, and I ain't decided if I'm gonna take it and get it powder coated or not. I might get it powder coated like, I don't know, lime green or something like that, something that just really stands out. What do y'all think? But anyways, so there it is. That'd be a good little project for somebody that, you know, wants to make them and sell them. Being out of aluminum like that, I mean, I'm sure they'd buy them out of carbon steel too. And, you know, try to make one and sell one. If you do, look me up on YouTube or something, and or on Instagram. Instagram, it's Michael's Fab Works. But let me know what you sold it for, man. I'm curious, especially curious depending on what area of the United States you're in, or if you're in another country, if you're watching this, I don't know. But anyways, well, that's it. I'll show some more video whenever I get some wood in it and over there in the backyard. So appreciate y'all watching. Thanks a lot.